everyone, welcome to Spa World. Today I wanted to show you my gardening status. I posted a video back in May where I talked to you about beginner gardening and how to do gardening in a small setup. It's almost close to October now and the weather is very unpredictable these days. It's getting very cold sometimes. In my last video you would see small plants in the space. This is how my garden looks now. These tomatoes have grown wild and have become a bit messy, but you can see there are a lot of tomatoes coming up actually. And these are the rest of my plants. There are peppers, there are eggplants, that's sorrel leaves or gongura, and we have some green chilies, and I also have some beans. I've just cut them yesterday, but this is how they look. And this is radish. You can see there are big radishes out there. And this is okra plant, but it's red okra. These are all local tomato plants. So I got this seed from a friend. These are local Indian variety and they taste very good. And I have some more peppers here. I did get a lot of peppers from these plants, though they look tiny. This is on one side of my house. I used the space to plant green leafy vegetables. I tried spinach and cilantro and some other Indian leafy vegetables here. And then on the borders I've planted these flowers. Here I have more sorrel leaves. We use them a lot in South Indian dishes. And I have some creepers here. I got this trellis from Amazon and I put it this way. And I hung few cucumber plants and ridge guard. You can see some cucumbers here. And also Indian cucumber, we call it dosakaya. And I have some ridge guard as well. I got few, and this is a small one that's coming up. And there are some okra plants here, and this is ginger. I tried this for the first time. This is bitter gourd. You can see small bitter gourds coming up, and there are some cucumbers here. And these are all my wildflowers. I hope you have seen my wildflower video. This is the status as of now. They were all flowering very well a month ago, but now they're almost dying. But they'll come back again next year, so I'm not worried. My curry leaf plant. And I have another one here. This is another tropical hibiscus plant, and it needs to move indoors during winters. So it is. It was a very small plant when I got it, but every year it grows so well. These are corn plants. I just put seeds and I got these. They're so colorful. I have one more here. This is all yellow. And this is on the other side of my house. I use this space for all lilies and gladiolus. This is a pomegranate plant. I got 3 flowers. I hope they turn into nice pomegranates. This is henna plant. We use this to apply henna on our hands or on our hair. And this is guava plant. I got this first time as well, and I didn't get even a single flower. I need to protect it throughout this winter, and hopefully next year I'll see some flowers and fruits. This is a fig plant. This is my first time trying this out, so let's see. This is gladiolus. I've got many colors of gladiolus, and I think this is the last one for the season. And this is another side, and I have a lot of mums here. I've planted them about 3 years ago, and they come back every year. I have 4 different colors, and only the yellow one started blooming as of now. Mums start blooming sometime in September, and they last for about 1 to 2 months. This is another tropical hibiscus plant. This also needs to move indoors during winters. This is how it looks like. It's very pretty. These are hardy hibiscus plants. They have beautiful color and they come back every year. So that's it. That's my gardening experience this year. As you can see, it's a small garden and I've utilized it with different kinds of plants, and I've tried a lot of new varieties this year. So I hope you also get motivated. You'll also get to see beautiful hummingbirds like this and several other birds if you have a small garden. Gardening takes a lot of patience and effort, but it's totally worth it. You will be at peace when you see these flowers blooming every day. It gives you a lot of happiness. So do try it. I hope you liked this video. Please do subscribe if you haven't done so. Until next time, bye.